Rifle drone detection countermeasure.
起飞，返航点已刷新，请留意返航位置。
We are now conducting drone detection and strike operations. This product integrates reconnaissance and strike capabilities. Once the target drone's location is detected and locked onto, the countermeasures mode, such as repulsion or forced landing, can be immediately activated to effectively deal with the target. It can provide location information for the drone, the pilot's location, and direction finding capabilities. When the device detects a drone intrusion, it will emit an audible and visual alarm. When a drone is detected, information, such as the drone model, frequency, with support for real-time frequency hopping display, and signal strength will be displayed. This device can transmit detection data and other relevant data back to the back-end management platform via a wireless network. The battery features a removable design, allowing for quick battery replacement and extending the device's battery life. The device can be charged directly by connecting the power cord, or the battery can be removed and charged separately. It can display most models of drones currently on the market, including popular brands such as DJI, Autel, Fimi, Dahua, and Unique. Detection frequency bands: 800 MHz, 900 MHz, 1.2 GHz, 1.4 GHz, 1.5 GHz, 2.4 GHz, 5.2 GHz, 5.8 GHz. Detection range: 1,000 to 2,000 meters. The number of targets that can be detected simultaneously is 6 per sortie. Jamming radio frequency power: 400 MHz, 1.2 G, 1.4 G, GPS, 1.5 G, 2.4 G, 5.8 G, 5.1 G, 0.9 G. 30 W for each frequency band. Remote control and data transmission: 2,400 MHz to 2,520 MHz. 5,150 to 5,350 MHz, 400 to 450 MHz. The attack is now underway. The drone and the remote control have lost connection. The 1.5 G GPS frequency band is not enabled. The drone automatically returned to its starting point.
返航，
Remote control and data transmission: 2,400 MHz to 2,520 MHz. 5,150 to 5,350 MHz, 400 to 450 MHz. 1,100 to 1,300 MHz, 5,710 to 5,875 MHz, 1,390 to 1,450 MHz, 830 MHz to 940 MHz.